Welcome. In today's video, we're going to dive into a quick and easy guide on how to clear the cache in Discord on your Android device. If you're experiencing lag or not so smooth performance, clearing the cache could be the solution. Let's get started. First, head over to the settings on your Android device. You can find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section manages all the applications installed on your device, and it's where we'll find Discord. Now, in the Apps menu, look for iDiscord. Tap on it to open the app details. Here, you'll see various options related to the app, including storage usage and permissions. Next, tap on Storage. This is where you can see how much space Discord is using on your device and manage it. Finally, you'll find the option labeled Clear Cache. Tap on it, and just like that, you've cleared the cache. This simple step can help improve the app's performance, allowing you to enjoy seamless conversations and gaming sessions. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache in Discord on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording.